Nah, these joints come with extra soles too. I probably did my sneaker of the year list too early. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. And the Wizard of Oz SB's delivered, man. Real quick, I know they're only going for a little bit above retail. Who cares? Buy what you like, not what's hype. It's an old movie, guys. We talking 1939, somewhere in that. And these young kids ain't hip to Wizard of Oz. If they did like that, what's that witch from Marvel? The Harkless girl, lady, which is dope. Scarlet Witch, which is dope. Wanda, which is dope. Probably would have got a lot more fire. This sneaker's put together, man. SB does they thing. When they get a collab, they collab, bro. So the Nike SB Dunk Wizard of Oz dropped about a week ago, about a week and a half ago. I had them since New Year's, but you know, that's for family. I wanted y'all to enjoy, so I took a week hiatus, but I'm back. And we gonna review this in 4K, man. Hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So the sneaker is designed about the poppy field. I haven't seen that movie in a long time. I'm more of the Wiz type dude, man. You know, Dorothy with Michael Jackson as the Scarecrow. That was my joint. But I did see the Wizard of Oz, and I think this was the scene when they was under the spell, the poppy seed field, and all that stuff. It looks just like the flowers, guys. That's what makes this collab dope. We don't do too much long talking here at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So it's a part of that Chrome Box SB collection, the white with the chrome writing. Not my favorite, but I mean, it is what it is. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro WOO. Woo. Woo QS. My first time seeing that, guys. The colors is Gem Red, University Red, Multi. So when you flip open the lid, it's a little bit of a double unboxing because, well, before we get to the double unboxing, let's get to this dope poster. So it reads the Wizard of Oz, Nike SB there. Then you got like the witch's hands, I believe, with her magic from her spell. I guess and then you flip it this way. There you go. There go Dorothy shoes, the Wish I Was Home shoes. Red glitter joints with the witch. Trying to take them from her, I guess. You can see I was hyped to get these open, right? The sneakers come in a bag. Wizard of Oz again, Nike SB. Dope look. Then you get 2 extra soles before you even get to the sneaker, which is dope. So this one is the Wicked Witch again. Very dope. And this one is the Flying Monkeys. One of like famous quotes of the song. Not the song, the movie. Not the Flying Monkeys. Nike SB, you can see it's cut off there, but it connects there. The back has 2 snowflakes. And you also get the glow-in-the-dark Nike SB sticker. And here's the left shoe of the Nike SB Dunk Wizard of Oz joint. So, I mean, a consistent pattern all the way through. But you can rip the toe box off. So if you see, it's just like a little screen, like the lining in between your bathtub shower, like that lining, like a little curtain. It's a screen, so it's easily to rip off, but I like the material, man. But if you're a skater, it's definitely going to come off sooner than you want it to. But it's just a consistent, dope, poppy feel situation all through the sneaker. And all through the sneaker is that screen material. It's not just the toe box. You can hear it. Like some kind of sheen material. The swoosh, nubuck. Is it nubuck? Feels leathery, but it does look nubuck suede in that nice burgundy reddish colorway. complementing the sneaker. Come around the back, got that Nike logo. Can't hardly see it. It's like it's embedded in there, but that's like in that burgundy on top of the red. More poppy seed situation here. And if you look close, right, because I was struggling with this. They didn't make this like, it reads no place like home, but it's so light it looked like it's holographic, but it's in there. It's just light. I figure if you take off the material here, you can see it better. But it reads no place like home. Another famous quote from the sneaker. I mean, from the movie. When you get to the tongue, it's all luxury, guys. Like a silk material, big fat SB tongue, you know, OG. It reads the Wizard of Oz in yellow, but shiny, just like Dolph D's shoes, man. Shiny look here. The back of it reads Nike SB in yellow, but in that same Wizard of Oz colorway situation in yellow, just like the front. No shoe tree, guys. You usually don't get shoe trees with SBs. You got like a paper tissue. Try to get y'all to get in here. It's kind of like the same soles you saw in the beginning of the video that you get individually. It just has a flying monkey on it. So y'all can see. It's just like a smaller version of this one here with the flying monkey in there. That was the left shoe. This was the right. So the soles inside don't change at all. The same flying monkey is in there. So I guess that's why they decided to give us different soles. Reads no place like home, just like that. But somewhere I see a lot bigger on the right side than I saw on the left. That's a little wild. But everything else adds up. Nothing's changed. The bottom is like not translucent, but it's a little clear, but it's red, as you can see at the top. I like how they made the poppy seed even the bottom. Like, they could have opted out and made this a solid color, like just all yellow or all red or orange. They even gave us the poppy seed at the bottom, which I really like. When you rip this off, it looks just like the swoosh, guys. So, I kind of like it with it on. Comes in like some burgundy, crimson shoelaces. I didn't see extra shoelaces, and that's weird for SB, but I didn't. Of course, you got the technology in there, SB, so you know you got that technology in there. They got the Achilles helper right there. And that's basically the Wizard of Oz, guys. It could be like early looks for me. Got me wishing that I put this in my top 10 sneakers of the year. But I am going to double back in a couple of days and do my top 5 SBs of the year. I know I could have did 20. A lot of SBs came out this year. But that's coming. So make sure you hit the notification bell. All that stuff the ShoeTubers say. Please do help the channel. Retail was $131 shipped to New York from the sneakers app. Right now you get them for like $150, $160. It's weird, man, because like a week before release date, they were at $450. Then I saw $300. When I saw them go to $240, I said I'm going to wait and try to get it for the retail price, because I know I was going to get this sneaker whether I had to pay resale or not. This is one of those you got to get in your collection, especially if you're an SB collector. But like I said, buy what you like, not what's hype. This is a fire shoe, guys. I'm your boy Sneaker Nose. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.